Hi everybody! How are you today? I'm sure you are fantastic. Okay, the new sound that we are going to learn, it's very easy. It's one of those sounds that has two letters, but when these two letters go together, they make a new sound. And this sound is the sound U. Repeat with me, U. Come on everybody! U. Excellent. Okay. This is exactly as when we say I, you. I, you. So that is the action for this sound, you. Pointing to the other person, you. You. Can you do it with me? You. You. Come on, pointing with your finger. You. Excellent. Now listen to the song.
I'd like to have a barbecue, you. I'd like to have a barbecue with you and you and you.
Now it's time to think of words with the sound U. Here we've got some examples. Words with the sound U. It smells delicious. It is a barbecue. Excellent. It is a barbecue. Can you see and listen to the last sound? Is the sound U. So the sound U is at the end of the word. Let's go for the next one. This is a statue. Statue. Where is the sound U in the word statue? Beginning, middle, or end? You are right, it's at the end. Statue. U. Excellent. And the last one. This is a rescue. Rescue. The last sound in the word rescue is U. That's all for today. Bye bye, see you soon.